Hey guys, welcome to Lognips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Chatbot AI account online on your Android device. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Chatbot AI account online on your Android device, first open up your preferred browser. As I'll be proceeding with this one, which is the internet browser on my Android device on my phone. And after opening your browser, tap on the search bar and type in the address chatbot.com like this and tap on go, and you'll be directed over here, which is the home page of the chatbot itself. Now to log into your chatbot account online, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the menu icon available. Tap on that menu icon like this, and after you land over here on the menu of the chatbot account, at the bottom of the screen you can see just below this ad, just below the sign of free button, there is the option available for already your customer login, and tap on that login button like this. And after tapping over there, you'll be directed over here, which is the login page of the chatbot. Now, in order to log into your chatbot account, you can choose to log in with your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or your Facebook accounts, respectively. If you scroll down and tap on either of these buttons, you can or you will be able to open a login page to Google, Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, or a custom SSO account. And if you log into your respected accounts from over here, then you'll be signed into the chatbot account with your Google or your Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, or your SSO account. With that being said, let's type in our business email address. And after you have typed your email address, type the password which you had registered on chatbot at the time of creating your account. And after entering your email and your password, but if you forgot your password, you can see there is the forgot password option available. If you tap on that forgot password button, you will be able to retrieve or reset your password of the chatbot account. With that being said, after entering your email address and your password, tap on sign in, and then you'll be able to log into your chatbot account from over here. And there guys, this is how you log into your chatbot account online from your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.